Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Ready for quiz.
She goes to the library every Tuesday. Look at those birds flying over the tree. I don't have any money left in my wallet. We were watching a movie when you called last night. This book belongs to Sarah. It is her book. There are 3 children playing in the park. My brother is born in October. Are you coming to the party tonight? He speaks English very well. Would you like a cup of tea?
How many marks out of 10 did you get?
Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.